When I got into tattooing, someone had made the comment to me like, you know, he said in his Samoan to where like, he made the comment like, you know, why are you putting these designs on people when you don't, you yourself don't wear the, you know, the malofia or the tatau, you know, you have no right to do that, you know. So it stuck with me all those years, and then finally I had the opportunity to go back home, and I got the blessing of my parents, and I just went ahead and did it. We're the only ones left that had those tattooing traditions, and it's one of the oldest traditions still left on the, you know, in the world. I had it done in Moa Moa. It was done by one of the Sulu Tufungas, and that was the inspiration, you know, leading up to getting it done. You know, and very, very thankful for the, you know, the works of Paulo Suluwape and Alaiva'a Suluwape, and what they've contributed into this great revival and this movement towards that, you know. These so-called lost traditions in other places like Hawaii, Aotearoa, Tahiti, you know, Tonga, for instance. I can only have gratitude, you know, because it's what I do. I'm very grateful for that. It's my identity, and having those kind of people in that history. It's if it wasn't for them, we would never be here than what we do, having this discussion and all that. I'm very, very grateful.